Johnson Ground, Skyhawk 51871 at the flight school hangars, ready to taxi with information November via VFR departure to the south.
Cessna 51871, Johnson Ground, taxi runway 20 via Romeo 3 Alpha, hold short of Alpha.
Romeo 3 Alpha to 20, we'll hold short of Alpha 51871.
Cessna 871, you can continue taxi. Contact tower when you're ready. Will you need a run-up?
Negative, no run-up needed, and we'll just go ahead and get down to 20. Thank you very much, 51871.
Roger.
See if we get hit with any rotor wash here. That's a cool helicopter. It looks like a helicopter should look.
Yeah. I've been up in a couple. One time was in Nebraska.
Oh.
Got a kind of a aerobatic guy. It was at a fair.
Oh.
So we flew low, right over the trees.
Whoa.
We did some of this business.
Oh, in a helicopter?
It was badass.
Whoa.
It was a little scary.
Yeah.
Super fun. And way less boring than my day would have been otherwise.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Better than coffee.
Oh yeah.
Or close.
Yeah. You don't want to combine them.
Johnson Tower, Skyhawk 51871 at Alpha 5, ready to depart runway 20 to the south.
Skyhawk 51871, Johnson Tower, proceed on course south, runway 20, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 20, 51871. Even though they say clear for takeoff and nobody's coming in.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Always looking.
Always.
Always try to use all the runway.
Yep. That's also smart.
So we'll get lined up on center line, let our wheels straighten out here. Heels on the floor. Let's do it.
Okay.
Airspeed is alive.
20.
Gauges are in the green.
43 miles final,
40 knots. 45 knots. 50 knots. 55 and rotate. Tower 51871, are we clear for a frequency change?
That's 871 affirmative. If you need to contact Nashville, 119.35.
Over to Nashville, thanks for your help, 51871. Nashville approach, Skyhawk 51871, VFR request.
Number 51871, Nashville approach.
Oh yeah, Skyhawk 51871, C-172 slant golf, 3,500. We'll cruise at 3,500. One flight following to Tullahoma.
Number 871, squawk 0443.
0443, 51871.
Alright, 71 radar contact 7 miles south of the Johnson Airport. National altimeter is 3030. I concur, modes indicates 3,600.
Position checks, 51871.
Number 871, contact Nashville, approach on 124.75.
Over to 124.75, 51871. Nashville, 51871, Skyhawk is at 3,500.
51871, Nashville approach, Nashville altimeter 3030, show you 3,700.
3030, 51871. It's very much like playing a show, right? Yeah. Like where there's all this build-up and preparation, and you think about all the things that can go wrong or whatever. And you should, but then you get to the point where you're in the, it's happening.
Yeah.
And there's a bit of a flow state thing to it.
Definitely.
I find flying very common with the feeling of playing a show.
That's very cool.
I think also because there's a drummer, you're kind of in a more observing position.
Yep. That makes sense.
Like you actually have to know music or whatever. We just hit stuff.
Yeah.
And over to our left, you'll see rich people getting richer.
Yeah. The law of the land. There's somebody down there building a castle.
Really?
Well, you know, it's a faux castle.
Faux castle.
You know how that old expression, a man's home is his castle? It's like now it's a man's castle is his home.
Yep. It's definitely like sort of the long way around. I mean, I guess suppose the other thing I could do is just cut over now. That might...
And go north of them?
Yeah. Let's do that.
Yep.
Let's see.
Huntsville 172 Kilo Delta, base 18 Huntsville.
Springfield traffic, Cherokee 4878 Lima, 4 miles to the east, be maneuvering 045, enter left downwind for runway 22 Springfield, full stop lane.
Pretty fun to just be able to say like, let's go that way.
Yeah. Yeah, the other day I was checking out all these weird controlled burn fires happening out west and just finding things.
Wow.
Tullahoma traffic, B60451 is crossing the active runway, or crossing the runway over to 18, Tullahoma.
Turn out here.
Traffic, CBM 62 Lima Mike, 8 miles to the southeast for left downwind for runway 18, full stop on Cessna.
Tullahoma traffic, Skyhawk 21 on Foxtrot Tango, turning left crosswind for 18, Tullahoma traffic.
Huntsville Executive Traffic, 9901 Quebec, left base runway 18, full stop, Huntsville Quebec.
So what's happening is people are using runway 18.
Okay.
And I've got this traffic that's at our altitude at 12 o'clock.
2 Kilo Delta is crosswind, or 18 Huntsville.
It looks like they might be going there, I don't know, but
Traffic 327, Tullahoma traffic.
I just wanted to buy myself a little more space on the approach.
Yeah.
Tullahoma traffic.
They're kind of going southeast, so now,
Yep.
see if we can see them at 1 o'clock, our altitude.
Huntsville Executive Traffic, 9901 Quebec, final runway 1.
All right, I'm going to do a little turn here to the right here. Clear the area, all right. We're going to the right, buddy.
Boeing green traffic. Huntsville Executive Traffic, CBM 62 Lima Mike, entering left downwind now for runway 18, full stop, Huntsville Quebec.
Just going to try to get lined up a little bit better out here first.
Yep.
Tullahoma traffic, King Air 4, November uniform is 11 miles north on the RNF straight into 18, Tullahoma. Tullahoma traffic, Beach 60451, we are making a right crosswind departure from the airport.
Tullahoma traffic, Skyhawk 51871 is a 6-mile final for runway 18, Tullahoma.
Tullahoma traffic, Beach Delta 60451, we are on a right departure off the downwind, we'll be departing the area. Tullahoma traffic, King Air 4, November uniform is a 7 miles straight in 18, Tullahoma. Bowling Green traffic, Cherokee 32165, inbound runway 3.
Bravo is on the left downwind runway 18.
6 Hotel is currently 8 miles southwest of the airfield, will be inbound runway 3.
Tullahoma traffic, Skyhawk 51871 is on a 4-mile final for 18. I'm going to do a right 360 and let this King Air through Tullahoma.
Thank you guys, we appreciate that. We're looking for you. We're showing 5.5 final 18 Tullahoma. And Tullahoma traffic, Skyhawk 211 Foxtrot Tango is a short final for 18 to Tullahoma.
Just all jammed up.
Traffic doing the 360 on final. 4 over your right behind you. We'll get you inside. Thank you very much.
You got it, 51871.
And we're going to roll down the end and make the left turn off at the end. Tullahoma Tullahoma traffic, King Air 4 November uniform.
You seen this traffic on
18 Tullahoma.
I don't.
Full stop. Traffic Skyhawk 211 Foxtrot Tango, touch and go 18, staying in pattern. Tullahoma.
Huntsville executive traffic, traveler 369 Bravo Bravo is final, runway 18, touch and go, Huntsville executive.
Huntsville 172 Kilo Delta, turning base 18, Huntsville.
Tullahoma traffic, Skyhawk 51871 is a 5-mile final for runway 18, Tullahoma.
Got some birds at 12,
Roger that.
1 o'clock.
Got it. You?
Black vultures.
Tullahoma traffic, Skyhawk 51871 is a 4-mile final for runway 18, Tullahoma traffic.
Tullahoma, King Air 4 November uniform is clear 18, Tullahoma. Thank you, gentlemen.
Runway 3.
The guys in the big expensive planes like it when you get the out of the way.
Yep.
Tullahoma traffic, Skyhawk 51871 is a 2-mile final for 18, Tullahoma.
Tullahoma traffic, Skyhawk 211 Foxtrot Tango's left base for 18. We got the other Skyhawk in sight. Tullahoma.
Kind of losing some altitude here. Better drop a 3rd notch here. Tullahoma traffic, Skyhawk 51871 is a 1-mile final for 18, Tullahoma.
Tullahoma traffic, Skyhawk 211 Foxtrot Tango's turning final for 18. Number 2, Tullahoma.
A little high. A little fast.
At Huntsville 172 Kilo Delta, turning crosswind 18, Huntsville.
Huntsville executive traffic, traveler 369 Bravo Bravo is left base, runway 18, touch and go, protect.
One white, 70 knots. Flaps up. That's my turn. Mixture lane, carb heated.
Beautiful.
A little bit more of a crosswind than expecting. It was good.
DC3 maybe?
Tullahoma traffic, Skyhawk 211 Foxtrot Tango's doing a go-around. 18, staying in the pattern, Tullahoma.
Thanks, Skyhawk. I'm sorry, I was trying to get off for you. Unfamiliar Tullahoma.
And no worries.
These people are in a good mood.
Yeah. Friendly skies.
Tullahoma traffic, Skyhawk 51871 is clear of runway 18 at Foxtrot, Tullahoma.
Tullahoma traffic, 201 Foxtrot Tango, turning left off of 18, Tullahoma traffic.
Alright, mixtures land. Landing light off, taxi light on, strobes off. Tullahoma traffic, Skyhawk 51871 is taxiing to the FBO via Foxtrot, Tullahoma.
Tullahoma
211 Foxtrot Tango, turning left downwind for runway 18, Tullahoma traffic.